actions and words after me, okay? It's time to sing.
It's time to sing.
It's time to hear.
It's time to hear.
It's time to see.
It's time to see.
It's time to speak English.
It's time to speak English.
Ready, steady, go.
Ready, steady, go.
Are you ready to start our lesson?
Yes.
Okay, take your places. What day is it today?
It is Tuesday.
Good. Tuesday. Do you like Tuesday?
Yes.
I can't. Why don't you?
I have 7 lessons today.
Oh, it's a pity. Okay, look at this picture and try to guess our topic.
New information about
Okay, maybe we are going to speak. Yes. Maybe.
speak about schoolmates.
Yes, about schoolmates. Thank you. Now I want that you know the lesson objectives. What will you learn by the end of our lesson? Okay? Alyosha, let's read.
Demonstrate respect to classmates' opinions.
It means
To respect each other.
yes, to respect. Next,
Identify the meaning of classroom instructions and theory.
it means
Talk about classroom instructions.
brilliant instructions. The next, Angelina.
Ask simple questions to get information about someone.
It means
Ask questions.
yes, ask questions. And the last,
Identify complex personal questions with support.
support. It means understand. Yes.
Understand personal questions.
Yes. Now, I would like to pay your attention to the self-assessment sheet. On your desks, you have these cards. Now, during all our lesson, you need, after each task, you need to count your right answers and write down your points here. Okay?
Okay.
You understand? Okay, let's start. Now I want to do some listening task. Let's do the listening task. Now, at your desks, you can see the table. Yes, the table. All of you have. Next, you have also different pictures with classroom instructions. Yes. Now, you should listen to me very attentively and put your pictures in order you hear. Okay? Don't be late. Don't be late. The second, help each other. The third, don't cheat. Okay? The fourth, working groups. The fourth, working groups. Okay? The fifth, do matching. Do matching. Okay? The sixth, work in pairs. The seventh, raise your hand. And the eighth, don't talk. And the ninth, the last, bring your supplies. Okay, stop please. And now, let's check and know the right answers. Look at this slide and check yourself. Okay, now, here you can see the right answers. Check please. Okay, and count please the right answers. Count. Now, listen. If you do 8 or 9 instructions right, who has done these instructions right? Put in order. Alyosha, how many? 9. Okay. You should write 5 points. Okay. Who? Tamila, how many? 6. Tamila, you should write 4 points. Okay, in your self-assessment sheet. Writing how many? 9. Brilliant. Clap your hands. Okay, very nice. Now let's do the next task. In your notebook, you can see the service word cloud. And now I want to know how many classroom instructions have you remembered? Now, in your word cloud, you know how to work, yes, with this service. Okay, now you have 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, write down all the classroom instructions which you have remembered. Right, type, please. Type. The pictures can help you. more as you can. Ah, you have finished. Brilliant. Victoria is first. Brilliant, Alyosha. Show me please your work. Let's create. You need to put. Okay, very well. Victoria has finished. Brilliant. Victoria, now you should count how many instructions have you written. Count please. How many instructions and put your number here. Okay, Alyosha. Brilliant, Alyosha. Now, listen. If you do 8 or 9 instructions right, who has done these instructions right? Put in order. Alyosha, how many? 9. Okay. You should write 5 points. Okay. Talina, how many? 6. Let's do another task. On your desks, you can see individual cards. Yes. And you should ask and know more information about this girl or boy. Okay? Now you need to make up some questions and make up the answers. Okay? Using information in your cards. Okay? Vika and Alyosha. Here the card. This card is for you. Okay? Are you ready? You need some time? No? You need some time. Okay, let's go. And you need working pairs. Tamerlan, Anelia, Angelina, Mursulu, Alekhan, Valentin. Okay, let's start.
What is your name?
Her name is Lina. How old is she?
She is 11.
Where is she from? She is from Canada. What is her nationality?
Her nationality is Canadian. What is your favorite subject?
Her favorite subject is biology.
Where is it? Show me please the picture. Where is biology? Okay.
How many lessons does she have?
She has 5 lessons.
She has, yes?
Does she like math?
Yes, she does.
Where is the picture? It is a support for you, okay?
Does she like history?
No, she doesn't. How many languages does she know?
She knows the 2 languages, Kazakh and English. Where is her school?
Her school in front of the park.
Yes, your school is in front of the park. Okay, brilliant. Clap your hands. Okay, now you should count how many questions you make up. Yes, and how many answers you have made. Okay. Okay. Take your places and fill your self-assessment sheet. Okay. The next, Angelina and Mursulu. Okay. You have your own card. Yes.
What is her name?
Her name is Dasha. How old is she? She is 8. Where is she from? She from Russia.
She is from.
She is from Russia. What is her nationality? She nationality.
Your nationality, Angelina?
Nationality Russian. What is her favorite subject?
Louder, please, girls.
Her favorite subject literature.
Literature.
What is your what's like? Do you like computer
Does she like? Yes, Angelina. Does she like computer?
science? Yes, she does. How many
How many?
lessons does she have? She has. Yes.
She has how many? Look at your
She
form.
has 5.
6 questions. She has.
She has 5
Lessons, yes? The next.
Do you like
Does she?
Does she like computer science?
No, she doesn't.
Ну что? Does she?
Does she?
The last, eighth question. Does she like
Does she like
physics? Yes, physics. Does she like physics?
No.
No, she doesn't. Yes. Okay, girls. You should also count your right questions and right answers and feel yourself. Now let's count your points. Who has 9 points? Okay, brilliant. No one. Who has got from 10 till 14 points? No one? Okay, Angelina, try please better, okay? You need to be very attentive when you ask questions and you answer the question, okay, Angelina? Who has got from 15 till 24 points? Okay, children, let's know what have you learned on our lesson. Did we respect each other? Yes, of course. Okay. Did you do some task with classroom instructions?
Yes.
You have remembered?
Yes.
Yes, we have refreshed, yes, all the instructions during the lessons. Okay. Did you ask questions to each other?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Did you understand these questions?
Yes.
Yes, of course. It means that we reached our goals, yes, and lesson objectives for these lessons. Children, I have an interesting task for you. Look at this. What can you see here? What is it? Yes, QR code. I have interesting task for you. You need to scan your QR code. Here you can see under each QR you can see your name, and you should scan only this QR code, okay? And at home you need to read this information, and for the next lesson you should retell what interesting information was for you. Okay? Now all of you stand up and scan your QR code. And then you watch an interesting task. Children, look at these pictures. Try to read and understand these sentences and choose the appropriate fruit for you. The first, could you read please, Tamilan?
I have no much information.
If you have known much information during this lesson, you should take apple, okay? And next, Anelia.
I have understood much information.
It was
very
useful information. If the information was useful for you, you take orange, okay? And Nursullu, the last.
Today some questions were not clear for me.
Okay. If you have some questions, maybe was difficult some tasks for you, you should take plum. Okay? Now stand up, take this fruit, and write your name, please, on this card. Write your name. Take your place. And give it back to me. Angelina, tell me please, what was difficult for you? What task, what kind of task was difficult for you? Okay, thank you. Angelina, you have chosen the plum, yes? And you have some difficulties on our lessons. What difficulties you have? Maybe questions, yes. To ask questions or answer the questions. Ask questions. It was difficult for you. Okay, thank you. And I thank you for the lessons. Our lessons is over. Goodbye.
Bye.